Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Josh and I'm here with Paola, and in today's video we're gonna try the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. So, first of all, the wrap is like, looks whack.
How will you wrap it though?
Huh?
Like this?
Yeah, like 2 times. And it needs to be like 1 inch. That's more than 2 times, girl. 2 times. 1, 2. And you seal it. Anyways, there's been a lot of rumors going on social media that this chicken sandwich is better than ours.
I doubt it.
You doubt it? I mean, I'm a little open-minded. I like to try a lot of foods, and if this one is better than Chick-fil-A's, I am gonna say it, and if it's not, I am gonna say it. Marty, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I don't know.
Alright,
Some people are saying Chick-fil-A, it's like...
Oh, it's greasy. You feel it?
Yeah.
Why does it have that wrap?
Some people are... It's soggy. Some people are saying that...
It's wet.
Like Chick-fil-A is like healthier, and Popeyes just tastes
Not
like
unhealthy.
black people cooked it.
Black people cooked it?
That's sad.
I mean, Chick-fil-A is healthier. Oh, look at this. It's like wet.
It is wet.
Look, it's like
Oof.
wet.
Keep it on trash.
You hear that?
I feel like Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. We asked for it plain because we don't like mayo or pickles. So, first of all, this. Look at this.
It looks really good.
I mean, it looks good, but it doesn't look like real chicken. I don't know why.
It is real chicken.
I know, but it doesn't look like real chicken. I don't know. Let's try it though. Ready?
I doubt it's gonna taste like chicken.
Wait.
I just smell it. Like,
We wanted to try this like 3 days ago, but it was like sold out. We went the first day, sold out. The second day, sold out. And the third day, sold out until today. I went early in the morning to buy it. Probably that's why it got soggy, because I left it there. I don't know, let's try it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What do you think?
I think. Let me see. Chick-fil-A is better. Chick-fil-A is better. I thought it would be more.
To be honest, I was expecting more than
Es
this.
como si te dieran una pierna y un pan. Right? Like a drumstick.
A drumstick with a piece of bread.
That's it. That's how it tastes. Maybe because we got it plain too. I don't know.
Yeah, but I
But
don't
still, Chick-fil-A we get it plain. So
I always get it plain with Chick-fil-A. I sometimes add mayo, but I don't like mayo that much, so.
I don't like it that much.
You don't like it?
I like this crispy part.
I am gonna give you like, we gotta rate it.
Rate it from what?
From 1 to 10. The breast itself is not that bad. I mean, it looks, like I said at first, it doesn't look like real chicken, but it looks kind of soggy, and it feels kind of soggy. The borders are crispy though. We gotta rate it.
Okay. Chick-fil-A being a 10. ¿Qué es esto?
Chick-fil-A is holy chicken.
What is this?
Ew, what is that? Is that plastic?
That was the bread. Like, here, look, I just took it out.
Look at that. It breaks like plastic.
No, I don't think it's plastic at all.
No, what is it? It's not bread. Bread doesn't break like this. Can you hear that? The snap? I don't know. We gotta rate it though. What do you
I
rate?
rate it from 1 to 10.
You're still eating it.
7.
7? That's high.
Or not less than 5. Because 5 is like, it's not that bad. But it's not like Chick-fil-A.
It's not that bad, but it's not like Chick-fil-A. It's not
nothing
holy.
like Chick-fil-A.
It's not holy.
Chick-fil-A
This
has
is
a
not holy
taste of
chicken.
everything. It has no like seasoning. or something. I
Chick-fil-A's
don't-
chicken
I don't
gets
get it.
blessed every time before they kill it, so.
Damn.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna rate it like a 6.
6. I don't know.
Yeah.
You're still eating it. What if we add ketchup?
Maybe this.
You wanna try with ketchup? Okay, we're gonna add some ketchup to see if it tastes
Any different?
any different or better. I'm not gonna add it inside though. You wanna dip it there? Or you wanna put it inside?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I like dipping it. It tastes better.
It's a bit better.
Tastes a bit better. Like 6.5.
But
I don't know what was all the commotion. You guys definitely
Please.
know.
this doesn't even compare to Chick-fil-A.
This doesn't even compare to us. You guys definitely know this is above. Like,
Above?
yeah,
Below.
below. I don't know. I was reading some tweets that people were saying the chicken is dry. It's not dry.
Not dry.
It's not dry. It's like pretty juicy.
But, okay.
I think y'all was just trying to start some beef.
Yeah.
To be honest.
My point of view is like, why? Like, I just prefer like the chicken to the bone, not a sandwich.
Popeyes, just leave the
Yeah,
chicken
just stay
in
in
the
your
bowl.
lane.
Stay in
please.
your lane. Yeah.
We got this. We got the sandwiches and stuff. Stay in your
Yeah.
lane, please.
Just leave it in the bowl, man. When I was in the window, I saw that lady slapping a lot of butter. She was like, bah, bah, bah.
Really?
Yeah. Look, it's like super yellow. It's really.
I like the crunchiness of it, pero then like I like the looks of it, but then when I bite it, I don't like it that much.
Alright, so she rated it what?
I'll go for a 6 too.
6? 6.5. We're gonna give it 6.5. It wasn't that good. We're gonna let our siblings try it, but that's gonna be behind camera. So we're gonna end this video here. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked it or not. Peace out.